No! I don't want to die! Ah! No! Why, look. I just want to get out of this alive. Stop attacking! He's a friend!
No!
I don't think it will last much longer. My goodness! Oh.
No!
It can't get any worse than this. Have you been able to get the beverage machine to work yet? Oh. You can't be serious. No, don't go that way. I've got to get out of here!